get out the house.
Come on.
What?
Makai!
What?
Go put in some pants, please.
These are pants.
Leah, don't argue. Shit. We gotta get out the smoke. It's smoking down there.
What?
It's smoking.
The stove is on smoke.
It's smoking. And it's sizzling.
Shoot, you ain't gonna tell me twice. The heck? I ain't finna. What? She said, get out, get out, get out, get out. Mariah came running. Get out, get out, get out.
It was like something like it's getting electrocuted. Something, is this the fridge? It's still on and it's working. So then I'm like, why is it getting smoky in here? And I look at the stove, the gas is on.
The stove?
The stove, no, the gas.
No.
So I turned it
Not you
on.
grabbing the liter of pop, girl. So that's what you were grabbing, a fire? Some pop? Girl. First thing I'm grabbing is my camera. I don't need nothing else. Wait,
Come on, give me. Real here. Don't go in the fucking kitchen, Lee.
Wait, I do need my phone.
Come here. Mariah, get your phone.
Mommy panicking.
Dogs, come down, come here.
I gotta finish uploading my video.
We gotta call Bali.
No, doggies, please.
Malia, you causing shit to get worse.
Cause she yelling. She need to calm down. Mommy already scared.
Where's Mahari? Mahari, is Mahari out there?
No, she died.
Mahari!
Doggy, come here.
Max, come on. Can you call Bali? Yeah, let me get my phone into the kitchen.
What?
Yeah, we gotta step away, man. We gotta find out what's going on. Yeah, Mariah, we just heard that shit.
Is he going?
I don't know. Shit.
I thought we supposed to call 911.
We is. Call 911.
Fire department.
Mariah, call 911.
Bali is California. She gonna tell us, oh, do this. No.
FaceTime.
Yeah, the fire department is best for this situation. Yeah. I'm cold. I need my robe.
Where's that?
Malia, let me tell you something. You're gonna have to calm the fuck down.
I am.
Okay, call Max.
Maxie, come here. Dog, come here. Doggy.
Malia, put on pants.
Yeah.
Gosh, girl, she brought the pants and still ain't put them on.
Mommy, we're gonna go back inside.
Memories, y'all.
Firefighters come and they let us know it's okay to go inside.
This don't happen every day, y'all. Here, get your pop.
You already called 911? Yeah, it's time for me to answer.
Your pop.
She gotta unplug that motherfucker. That's it gotta be unplugged. I can't hear him.
Speaker.
Hello, Bali. This is Miss Jackson at the house. The stove it starts sparkling. We outside. My daughter, we done called 911, but we too scared to go back inside. Something in the stove.
You mad? You mad? Cause you failed. You mad at us cause you failed. When mommy's voice starts shaking, you know it's serious.
It's sizzling. It's sizzling.
Yeah, panicky. Yeah.
Yeah. And it's
Nervous.
like,
Yeah. If you hear us fire or smell it, stop, drop, and roll.
we just called 911.
Or crawl. Wait, what?
But we
Hold
didn't
on.
see nothing.
There was
We
no
heard
fire,
it.
though.
We heard
It was
we did hear
smoke.
something sizzle.
That would
And we
lead
looked. Me and my
to
daughter looked.
what?
First
But
we thought it was
my
the,
teacher said
refrigerator.
if there's like smoke
No,
or
but then
anything,
we heard
get
it
like
again.
something near you
That's when we
and
ran
put
out
it
the
like
house.
under the like
And
under
nobody
your
was
door,
cooking.
so
Nobody
you won't
was cooking
smell
up. Nobody
as
was
much
cooking
as
up.
smoke. Oh my god!
Here come the
Oh,
fire
shoot.
department now. Yeah, because this gonna have to, that stove got to be unplugged. We don't. They'll be able to tell us what's going on.
Hey, memories, memories being made.
Yeah, of course.
Of course. Memories
just not
being
pulling
made.
I can't hear you because they just got their foot. What you say?
Memories. Oh, that is bright. That is bright. Oh my gosh. This makes me want to be a firefighter. You're scared. See, now it's getting serious. Now she all scared.
No, I can't get Wi-Fi. I'm trying to take down.
Oh.
Take down.
Oh, my sister's no gas.
Stick on the house. Wait, what the hell?
This made me want to rescue.
I'm gonna unplug it. That's all.
Yeah. But you know, we was too scared to do that, so
Let me get me some footage.
let me get me some footage.
Let me get me some footage.
Oh my gosh. Don't worry guys, you'll see it all on YouTube. You just now tell what you tell her?
I said no.
Don't stand by the stove.
Oh.
My iPhone, I got locked out on my phone, so I have to restart my phone.
You tell people to get out the house and then they taking their time.
Black people.
I did go to the bathroom though.
Oh, not you. What? No. See, I grabbed my camera. That was about it.
Here comes Mariah. What happened? It was an electrical shortage inside the oven. He says electrical shortage inside the oven.
What that mean?
Like it's an electric fire.
Oh.
Was about to start.
Oh my gosh.
An electrical fire was about to start because the gas was on and the oven is an old oven. Yeah.
Where's the gas?
So I turned it on. And they could smell the fire. As soon as they smelled it, they said it smells like an electrical fire. I'm glad we wasn't asleep.
So we here are thinking, so the walls, everything's good. We're thinking that your stove's covered up, something inside your stove. Because when we open up the stove, it gets really strong. Now, our job isn't to figure out exactly what it was, but just to make sure that there's no fire, there's no other harm or issues there for you guys.
Okay, that means I can.
First we ran out the backyard.
Oh, okay. No worries. The good thing is that you guys got out of the house instead of staying.
Can we tip y'all?
Can we what?
Can we tip y'all?
Oh, no, this is our job. No, it's our job.
It's their job. Girl, it's their job. Girl, what? Can we go back in? Yes, we can go back in. Wow, guys.
Ooh, wait.
No way.
Oh God, Maya, you just got itchy Thompson.
That was stressful for real though.
That was stressful. Stressful.
They walked in, they was like, oh, this is definitely an electrical fire. So they pulled the oven out. They was like, okay, the outlet isn't burnt. So they unplugged it. And then he opened this up.
And that's when it came out.
Smoke came out and you could smell it more.
Okay.
Oh.
So he said an electrical fire happened inside the oven.
Wait, I thought if a fire happened inside the oven, it can't get out, right?
No, it can't.
Yeah. Shit, girl.
So
I'm
he
so
said
glad.
that-
And we normally don't even sit in the damn kitchen.
What we was smelling.
Y'all always in
like
this
we
kitchen.
said,
What
we
is you
was
talking
smelling
about?
was the wires melting. 'Cause they were
Yes.
burning. They were about to catch on fire.
Wow.
Wow.
Y'all, if this,
I'm so grateful.
that's something that you can say.
We thought it was the freezer.
We thought it was. Me and Mariah looked first, thinking it was the freezer. The
Why
water.
y'all think it was the freezer?
Yeah, why?
When it
'Cause
smelled like.
sounded like
It sounded like the water was trying to come out of
it
it.
sounded like okay.
Crackling.
To describe the sound, it sounded like
some crunching.
crackling.
Yeah, crackling.
He said, "Don't plug that up. Let the house air out overnight."
No, don't even. We not plugging them up. We can't plug that back in.
She said, we ain't never plugging that back in. I ain't going through that
It's not
again.
gonna start finish what it started.
Yeah, I know.
We is not plugging that in. That is not getting plugged in.
Well,
Man, I'm
can't
so glad I ain't smoked no blunt.
can't cook no more.
Huh?
Can't cook no more. I'm glad we got Easter out the way. My insides are hurting.
Maya, you make it a whole story?
I think I need to take my medicine.
Yeah, take your medicine
Because
that gas.
my insides hurt. Just get snacks now. Now we have an excuse. Now we have an excuse why we don't cook. First of all, everything is content. You need to document everything.
Bro, Malik was the comments more than mine.
She was like, you can't be on the computer. You up there and we down here and it's going on. She was going off on him. She was just in the heat of the moment.